Hey everybody, Mike McDavid here, coming to you from lovely St. Louis, Missouri, inside of our mobile containment unit. Excited to be talking about our first ever virtual fall tech conference. So if you haven't already registered, I highly recommend you do so. There's probably going to be some incentives and surprises available, so we're looking forward to kicking this off. I'm going to be speaking about some really important things in the midst of all this COVID environment and all the fun and innovative things we're doing. We're going to be talking about containments and healthcare facilities, i.e. the containment cube I'm working in here. So I'm going to be working with Dave Monson to talk about some of the strategies he and I have both incorporated along the years and some of the ways that we've found to contain these systems and why it's so important. Secondly, I'm going to be talking about ventilation system inspections with my friend Mike Dexter, who's down in sunny Florida. Super knowledgeable guy. We're going to talk about some of the reasons that we're called to do these inspections, some of the strategies we take those on with, and why it's so important to conduct that assessment portion of the ACR when we're going into our businesses. Again, if you haven't already done so, I highly recommend you visit nadca.com/fall-tech to reserve your seat and your chance to network with some peers in this new virtual environment from the comfort of your own homes or offices. I really hope to see you guys there.